Hey, what's happening? It's Paige, and today we're going to be talking about business. We are heading into a new year, and I think this is the perfect time to talk about business, SEO, email marketing, and calm business. And we're going to get into all of that next. So if you're looking to change the game for your business, you're looking to do things intentionally, not spend a ton of money doing it, but invest in your business where you're going to make some wise decisions and be in touch with people who are experts. This is the video for you. Let's get into it because I'm really excited to talk about these 3 businesses that I have met this year and implemented in my own business that I think are going to be a game changer for you as you move forward in your art business, small entrepreneurial endeavors. A little bit of backstory. I did invest this year in a monthly membership where we were talking about marketing and techniques for marketing and newsletters and things like that. And it was a substantial amount for me as a small business for an artist. And the truth is, there was a lot of great information in this business model, but it really was all about baffling you with BS. And frankly, as a consumer, as a business owner, and just my personality, I don't really appreciate that. I like things that are straight and to the point. I'm really excited, of course, about things that light me up and that interest me, where I'm learning a lot. And this marketing course just wasn't doing it for me. It doesn't mean that it wasn't valid. It just wasn't hitting those receptors for me. So I started looking for ways to think outside the box to promote my art business. So I landed on these 3. So I discovered the SEO Club. This is an amazing program that is 52 weeks of phenomenal information that teaches you all about SEO. And why does SEO matter? You want people to find you because they're looking for you. But if you don't optimize your search engine optimization or SEO, they're never going to be able to find you. And the key is Nadine teaches us how to optimize our websites, to optimize the content that's on our website, to reduce friction, and to draw people to us, to help them find us. And that's really what SEO is. It's becoming buddies with Google. So Google will serve up your website so people can find you. I love it because it's digestible. I look forward to learning these little tidbits. They take maybe 5 to 10 minutes of your time, and they really move the needle for you. Not only that, she has a Facebook group where you can ask her questions, but she also has a monthly meetup where you can pick her brain, and she shares information with you, and she's so generous about it. So of course, I'm friends with Nadine now. I love her program. I've been using it all year long. I have been found by clients who are looking for what I'm offering, and I own my website, so I don't have to worry about it being obsolete one day or the algorithm not helping me or hiding my content and not getting in front of people. I own all the content on my website, and I can drive traffic there where people can either purchase, commission, or contact me. It's incredible. And so I can't promote Nadine enough. I have gotten so much value out of this year that I think it would be silly for people not to take advantage of it and to really think about SEO and how it impacts their business. The second aspect that I really wanted to focus on in my business this year was email marketing. I have learned a lot about email marketing over the years, and most of the information that I have gotten is you need these long emails that tell stories, and they're really complicated and involved, and it requires a lot of writing. And oh my gosh, what small business person who is wearing many hats has time for all that? You know, what happens is you don't write an email, and you maybe send out an email every 6 months, which is not helping you, and it's not helping the people that you serve. I stumbled upon Liz Wilcox this year and was immediately a fan because she's very straightforward. She talks about relationship building within email, and about sincerity. She is sincere. She's not trying to baffle anyone with BS. She's trying to get to the point, serve the people that are on her email list. And it's super affordable to be part of her community. She also does Zoom calls with people monthly. She offers up some workshops as well. If during Black Friday, she offers a really comprehensive sale, which offers lots of trainings that are really worthwhile. Again, there is a link down below. But what I love most about Liz is she helps you generate ideas and really be yourself in email and help people. Ultimately, that's what you want. You want it to be simple. You want to be able to do it and make it a joy for you and make it enjoyable for the reader. You own your email list. So along with your website, your email list is one of the most powerful tools that you have at your disposal. Why not do it well, enjoy doing it, and have your clients and customers enjoy getting the information? You are serving them. And so Liz teaches us how to do that. She offers up templates and ideas for a welcome sequence, or if you have a pre-sale that you're doing. I mean, these are all things that for me are very complicated, and I've used a variety of different models, never really loving any of them. And what I do love about her model is she gives you about 3 different ways to use her content. Mostly for me, it just sparks ideas. So instead of looking at a blank page, I've got a place to jump off of. And that's what I appreciate. All of my written content is my own, but she's sparking the idea. She's helping me just get over the hump and get that email out and really look forward to doing it. So check out her link down below. She offers a $9 a month subscription, which is super affordable, and she really strives to make it affordable. Okay, so this last business owner is a bit of a dark horse because I didn't actually know I needed her help until I really needed her help. And then I truly became one of her 1,000 fans. So Kerstin Martin is actually a Squarespace business professional. She used to do web development. She has a YouTube channel, but she also has this focus or this model that's called Calm Business. When I heard about this, I was intrigued because I thought, is it possible to have a successful business and get away from hustle culture? So I started investigating her more. Truly, how I found her was I had to upgrade and make some changes to my watercolor class portal, and I was moving everything to Squarespace, and she had some videos not only on classes, but how to upgrade my website from 7.0 to 7.1. And I was in a panic because I thought, oh my gosh, I don't even know where to start with this. And she made it very straightforward. She had a checklist. She has a great YouTube channel. As I dove deeper into her content, I just really like her. Of course, all of these businesses that I'm sharing today are female businesses, which is amazing. They aren't just for females, but these ladies are all very sharp, and I respect each one of them. Kerstin sells courses about calm business. Go check her out. She also has this great planner. This is a great planner for people who are content creators. And if you're into analog lifestyle, bullet journal planning, she's created this custom, you can't really see it, but this custom planner, which is really incredible. It helps you track projects. It helps you track stats. It's very comprehensive, but also malleable, so you can make it your own. I don't know. Go check it out. Go check out her channel. I'm going to be doing her Calm Business review, really assessing my business and how it went this year. And implementing all these things are really helping me move the needle. But I really want to be able to see that on paper and to know that for sure. So full transparency, I'm promoting these guys because I truly believe in what they've done for my business. One of them, Liz, is an affiliate link. I would promote her regardless. So I hope that as a small business entrepreneur, as an art entrepreneur, that you find these tools useful. Please let me know in the comments if you've benefited from this video or if you've reached out to these businesses. I just think, it's a small community here in the art community, and every little bit helps. We can help each other. I know each of these ladies is reputable, hardworking, and has a lot to offer, lots of information and value to offer. Good luck as you plan for the next year. I wish you the best success in the coming year. Take care and stay creative out there.